Welcome, friends. We are back again to the series, the most awaited series, most requested series by most of you viewers. And I thank you all sincerely for watching my series. And I feel overwhelmed to know that a lot of people are getting benefited by my series. There are some calls which tells me that I was unable to read a single page when I was disqualified. But by observing your videos or understanding your videos, I have come to know about my defect and I have gained confidence, and now I look forward towards my life positively. So, coming back to our topic, what I have told you in the previous video that the numbers that are written in the first plate, they had absolute two colors. There was no any permutation combinations of colors. So what were those colors? One was red and one was green. So in that case, you were absolutely, when you have no uh, any perception of any other pages, still you were able to read the first page. Yes, it is designed in that format. Now the real test starts from page number 2. So this is the first plate from where the test will start. And I found most of the people read it as 3 because the color wavelength of this area is different from this area. So there are a lot of people who miss this area and they identify it as 3. Okay, and there are few peoples who identify it as, let's see what, 5. Are you seeing it? They see it as 5, right? So there are people who are unable to see this area and this area, and there are people who are unable to see absolutely this area, so they see it as 3. Now let's observe the number. If you look at it, there are few things to be observed. These dots are of different sizes, first thing. Second, these dots are of different colors. Not, let me correct my statement, not of different colors but different shades of the same color. So it has different wavelength and it has different sort of stimulation for the eye. So they stimulate different cone cells in our eye when we try to see it. Now let's moving on to the background. Let's look at the background. If you will see, let's follow any one this particular area. You can just take any random area. I'm just taking this for convenience. So if you look at this dot, the color of this dot, this dot, this dot, this dot, this dot is not uniform. They have different shades of the same color. So they have different sort of perception. Now let's move on to the number. If you look at this number, see the color of the bigger dot, the small, the medium side, the very small dot, it's different. It is not same. And there's one more thing. The dot that is surrounding one, suppose I take this, now I take this as a small square area. In this small square area, if I look, the color dot that you are seeing, this, let's assume we are taking this small square area, this small area. So the dots that are close by, if you follow this pattern, you will see that this combination is very unique and it is not similar with any other area. That means the total test is very unique, and each dot that you are seeing is surrounded by the color dots which are in a unique pattern. They are not repeated anywhere. So this is a test which, without doing your real genetic study, is actually doing your genetic study, where it is finding out whether you are having crisis of number of cone cells or not. I'm not telling that you don't have cone cells. You do have cone cells which are important to see colors. If it would not have been present, you would not be seeing colors in your real life. This is first thing. That make it very clear in your mind, you are not colorblind. Because if you are colorblind, how you are seeing colors in your real life? So if you are seeing colors in your real life, be rest assured that you are not colorblind. Now you will have a point to ask, then why I am unable to read the Ishihara book? Yes, that's a valid question and it has a valid answer. The answer is that you have color defect. That means though you have cone cells, there is some problem with the cone cells, maybe in the number of cone cells, maybe the function of the cone cells. There is some sort of problem in the cone cells which needs to be evaluated, and that defect which is present needs to be corrected so that you will be able to read the book. So with this I come to the end of plate number 2. Very soon we'll come up with plate number 3. Hope this video will help you. Keep watching, keep improving, keep hoping that you will be getting a job of your desired stream. So thank you.